Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pastor again, and now in this video I'm going to be taking you through the steps I take to create these YouTube videos. I believe by the end of this video you'll learn how to be able to create your own videos, but also this process will help you also be able to start up your YouTube channel. Now let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. It is very hard for you to get a topic for your YouTube videos. So the first thing you need to do is to always find a topic that will interest your viewers. So for my own case, I used the VDIQ search engine to see which topics that people are looking for in that certain time frame. And I use another tool which is called Google Trends. And Google Trends is free. You will not have to pay any penny. And then also when you subscribe to VDIQ, they will be sending you a couple of topics in your niche. So if you're using the free subscription, you will be able to get 3 topics every day. While when you pay for it, you'll be able to get more than even 3 topics. So I advise you to take time and look for topics that people are searching, or even you can use YouTube's search engine, and then you'll be able to see videos that people have made on that particular topic and look at the video that has gotten more attention and find a way to make that particular video better. So another step I take when I'm creating these videos, I note down all the tips and all the steps I'm taking in my videos. The advantage of you writing down all the tips you're going to be able to mention in your videos, it will help you, 1, not to forget what you're going to say in the video, and 2, it helps you not to repeat what you have said in your previous tip or even in your previous point. So you need to always note down all the points that you're going to mention in your video. And then also when I'm making videos like this, I always take time and relax so that by the time I start recording, I'm not on pressure or even I'm not stressed. Another tip you need to always follow when you're making videos for YouTube, you need to always pose a question. For example, when I was starting this video, I showed you the advantage of this video and what you're going to benefit from watching this video at the end of the day. You need to always either you pose a question when you're starting your video. That can be like, have you ever tried to make videos? Or even, are you facing challenges to make your videos? Now this video is going to be a video that will help you to answer that question, and at the end of the day you'll be able to find it easy to make YouTube videos. Posing such a question, it will help your viewers to stay tuned on your channel or even on the video that they'll be watching. So you need to always pose a question or even show your viewer the advantage of the video that you're showing to them. Another example that I follow when I'm making these videos is I always get examples that are relatable. So you need to always have examples that people can relate to. Or you need to sit down and think about scenarios that the person who is going to find your video interesting has points in that particular video they can either relate to, and these points will help them to be able to learn from your videos. These points will be able to interest them to subscribe to your channel and also to watch your videos. Another thing that you don't need to forget while you're making such videos is to always ask people to subscribe to your channel and also ask people to follow your channel. That helps you to grow the community for your channel. That means that at the end of the day, you will have a community that follows your work and also keeps your channel engaged. Now, when I'm done with research, I compose myself for shooting these videos, because shooting these videos always gives you pressure and it makes you nervous. So you need to first take time, relax and compose yourself so that you can be able to deliver your points to your viewers without any fear. Because at times when you show that you're nervous in these videos, it is easy for someone who is going to watch your video to turn off and look for another channel that is going to be comfortable or that they are going to find interesting. Now, when I'm composed, I start shooting my videos. So when you're done with the research, some people decide to wait and they don't shoot those particular videos. So you need to always take time and create time and you record those videos. Sometimes I just record a video that I'm going to upload, or even sometimes I decide to record multiple videos, and then when I get time to edit, I decide to edit them all, and then I just create time to just upload each one depending in the time frame that I feel that video is fit to be on the channel. Now, those are the steps I take to create the videos that you see on my channel. I hope you have been able to learn from this particular video, and I hope this video inspires you to also create videos for your channel. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Pius Diagena. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. But also, take time and watch this next video, because I believe from that video you'll be able to learn how I create such an amazing image quality from scratch to the image that you admire, to the image that you see on my channel. Peace. Auntie Kari. Nice.